check tire pressure. PSI. PSI. Preparing tayo. We are going to Cotabato City again. Meron tayong aayusin na tricycle. Geely helmet classic. Yan. May dala tayong extra helmet. Nabibigay ko sa aking brother-in-law. Yan, ready to go. I've said we are going back to Cotabato City again. Magre-repair tayo ng tricycle. Cotabato City, Davao City to Cotabato City is 230 kilometers. Point A to point B. As of now, we are in Bangkal, Davao City. Ay, may nakalimutan tayo. Teka, balik tayo, may nakalimutan tayo. Nakalimutan yung nipad. Ano ba yan? Oh, forgot my nipad. So importante yung mga gears, protective gears. Limutan yung nipad. Kalimutan ko nipad ko. Nipad. Nipad, nakalimutan ko. Buti na lang, dyan pa ako. Okay, let's go ulit. Binilikan ko lang yung nipad. So, record natin ang time ng start natin at saka yung mga stopover, mga oras ng stopover natin. So record natin ang time now is kita 7:56 AM. Nandito tayo sa Turil, Davao. So 7:56, i-record lang natin ha. Sa Messenger tayo mag-record. Jump off. Turil. From Turil. Jump off from Turil. So yan, na-record na natin. So send natin para ma-save. So let's go. 7:57. Oh, let's go. Almost 8 o'clock na. 3 minutes na lang para 8 o'clock ang starting time natin. Turil checkpoint. Chill ride lang tayo. 70, 80, 90, ganyan lang takbuhan natin. Tignan natin how much ang time travel natin from Turil, Davao City to Cotabato City with chill ride using Honda Beat version 2. Let's go. Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Napakadilim ng langit. Mukhang uulan. Oh, lupo naman yung nag-overtake na yun ah. Ganda. Ganda ng mga kabundukan. Nakaka-relax. Ano pa ito? Santa Cruz ata ito. Santa Cruz pa ito. Sarap. Ang sarap mag-ride. So, welcome to Digos City. Nasa Digos na tayo. Now in Bansalan, Davao del Sur pa rin. Ang next town nito is North Cotabato na. Daghang salamat. Balik kamo. Thank you very much. Come back. You can come back always. Oh. We are now in Makilala Provincial Veterinary Quarantine Service Center, Old Bulatukan. Okay, swing. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Motorcycle lane. Here. Apak, apak. Apak, apak. Apak, apak. Apak, apak. So, relax muna. First, stop over natin. Check natin ang time. First, stop over. It's 9:17. So, more than 1 hour. Sobra lang ng konti kasi halos 8 o'clock na yung alis natin kanina. So 1 hour and 20 minutes. First stop over natin dito sa Provincial Veterinary Quarantine. So makilala, first stop over natin. Medyo mainit na sa puwit, masakit na sa puwit, pero hindi naman ganong masakit kasi nakamodify ito. Pinalapad natin yung upuan ng ating Honda Beat version 2. Nagpapahinga tayo dito mga at least 5 minutes. Check natin, 9:17 kanina eh. Ano, 9:17. So plus 10, so 10 minutes na. Let's go na. 10 minutes na ang 9 minutes. So 9:28 na. So let's go ulit. Back to the road. So let's go. Back to the road again. We are now in Kidapawan City. So pag dumadaan kayo dito at nakita nyo na itong mga tao-tao na ito, ibig sabihin na sa Kidapawan na kayo. Kidapawan City, North Cotabato. Yan o, masaganang ani. So yan o, welcome to Kidapawan City. Slow down. Good morning. So guys, huminto tayo sandali dito na sa may Kidapawan kasi mayroong tumawag sa cellphone. May tumawag sa atin. So instead na hindi tayo mag stop over muna, parang ito na yung second stop over natin. 9:53. Okay, let's go back to the road. Kabakan na tayo guys. This is Kabakan, North Cotabato. So, dito tayo sa Shell. Gas up muna tayo. Gas up. How much ba dito? You will save gasoline. Shell, you will save gasoline. You will save gasoline. 70, mahal. Try natin sa kabila, parang mahal. Shell, 500 kilometers. We are in Kabakan. Gas up muna tayo. 500 kilometers, Shell gasoline station. Shell yung tinignan ko, pero dito lang tayo sa Petron. Kasi nasanay ako sa Petron, nagkakarga. Tignan natin kung magkano dito.
Shell boss,
Magkano ang extra advance?
68.90 sir.
Oo, sige. Wait. You will save. Tayo, gas up. 10:38 nung nag-stop tayo dito sa Petron, Kabakan. So naka 12 minutes na tayo, so pwede nang back to the road again. Medyo nakapahinga na yung ating puwet. So from Petron back to the road again. We are now in Midsayap, North Cotabato. Kuha na lang, 45 kilometers na lang natira. Nakakarating na tayo sa Cotabato. So drop by tayo dito sa 7-Eleven to drink some water. Third stopover. Let's check the time. (11:44 AM). Morning. Water. Para ma-rehydrate. So it's 11:54. So 10 minutes na naka-rest tayo. So let's go back to the road again. Okay, let's go. Back to the road. This is Midsayap, North Cotabato. We are 45 kilometers away from Cotabato City. So malapit na. Mga ano na lang yan. Less than an hour, almost 1 hour. Depende sa sitwasyon sa road. Kung wala masyadong samok, mga 45 minutes na lang yan. We are now in Libungan, North Cotabato. Palapit na sa ating destination. We are now in Pigkawayan. So, palapit na tayo ng palapit sa ating destinasyon, Pigkawayan. This is Pigkawayan Municipality. Dito tayo, wala kasi mga road sign, walang mga ano tawag dito, kung anong lugar na ito, walang sign kung anong signage kung anong lugar na ito. Pero as far as I know, this is Pigkalagan. Tapos itong bridge na ito na ginagawa dito, ang tagal na nito, ilang taon na, siguro kung 5 years meron na, tagal na. Uy, ano, may nabalaho na truck. Ako, sugod ba tayo? Susugod ba tayo o susugod tayo? Bago lang to, nabalaho. Susugod tayo o susugod tayo? Susugod tayo. Susugod tayo. Kaya ni Honda Beat yan. Honda Beat. Galing mo Honda Beat. Ayan, sinisemento na sa wakas. For how many years ginagawa na rin. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari. Wag na nating alamin. Kanila na lang yun. Come on, hold a bit. Go, go, go. Woo! Yeah! Malapit na tayo sa Cotabato City. Go, go, hold a bit. Slow down, checkpoint. Slow down. Motorcycle. Here. Okay, go, go, go. Come on, hold a bit. Oh. Buha banking siya, hold a bit. Buha banking. On a bit, on the banking. On. Woo! Lapit na talaga. We are now in Simway Crossing. So turn left tayo. Going to Cotabato City. Turn left. Alright. Stop for a while because the ass is burning. My ass is burning, so stop for a while, even just for 2 minutes. Time check. Ayaw gumadaw. Kailangan tanggalin ang gloves. Time check. 12:39 PM. So it's 12:45. So let's go back to the road. Okay. Back to the road again. Cotabato City. Yeah. Woohoo! Sarap. Sarap mag-ride with Honda Beat version 2. It's nice and enjoyable. Okay, approaching Delta Bridge. Okay, Delta Bridge, Cotabato City. Na tayo. Nasa Cotabato City na tayo. Oh, traffic. Anong dahilan ng traffic? Ang checkpoint. Ang traffic. Dahilan ay checkpoint. Traffic, 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 traffic. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Traffic, traffic. Okay. So, touchdown, Cotabato City. Time check muna tayo. Whew. Touchdown, Cotabato City. Time check. So time is 1 o'clock. So the time is 1 o'clock, 1:01. So it took us 5 hours to reach Cotabato City. Approximately 200 plus kilometers. Kasama na yung pahinga-pahinga, yung stopover, yung inom tubig, ihi. So 5 hours lang. Chill ride with Honda Beat. So let's go. Let's go. So this is Cotabato City. Yan o, Cotabato City. Yan, pisihil yan. Yung mga kulay-kulay ng bahay na yan, ginaya nila sa Baguio City. Turn left tayo. Turn left. This is Sinsuat Avenue of Cotabato City. Right, turn right tayo. Turn right. This is Sausa Street. So, dito na tayo. We have to turn right. Okay. Ito yung tricycle na ayusin natin. Ayan. So nakarating na tayo. Yan yung tricycle na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. So another video yan, yung pag-ayos nyan. So guys, bye for now. And thank you very much sa mga nag-subscribe at nag-like na aking video. At saka sa mga nanood, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa susunod na mga video pa, kita-kita tayo. Thank you very much. Bye. Kasayan sa iyo.
Salamat.
Ala,
Ano?
Evo yan, Evo helmet.
Salamat.